Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your body different colors on Roblox mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can open up the Roblox app, but unfortunately there's no way to change the body colors within the Roblox app. We'll have to get out of there and open up Safari or Google Chrome or something like that on your iPhone or Android. And we'll type in roblox.com. So you're going to want to sign into your specific account. And at the very bottom here in gray, it says continue in browser. So we're going to tap that. And then what we're going to do is on Safari, we're going to tap those two A's and request desktop site. So if you're on Google Chrome, then you'll tap the three dots and then also request the desktop site. Now that we have that, at the very top left, we'll tap those three lines, and then we will tap Avatar right here. Now, the cool thing is that it gives us the ability to edit the avatar. And if we scroll over, we can choose Body here, and then scroll to the left again, and Skin Tone. So now it will give us the ability to edit the skin tone or the body color of our Roblox avatar. So I can choose any different color that I want, and at the very bottom right here it gives me the advanced option. So I can tap that and it allows me to change the color of body parts for the entire body, or I can say change the left arm to yellow and the right arm to blue. And then I can hit the done. And then you can see here, the left arm is yellow and the right arm is blue for my Roblox avatar. I can always change any of these other colors if I want to. And then once I get out of this web-based version and back into the app, it will apply those changes into your app as well. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.